What is going on, everyone? It's Boosted J. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be throwing in some of these BMW Motorsport floor mats for the E30, and I'm going to give you guys a rundown on what's coming up next. So first off, the reason I got new floor mats is because, one, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the driver does not have a floor mat at all, and it hasn't had one for about 2 years or so, because the heater valve that's right there pretty much behind the carpet exploded and leaked coolant on the mat, and so the mat was just pretty much a complete waste. So we got those ones up there, and we're gonna cut them open and put them in and get some nice shots. And they also match my pedals, which is really sick too. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this out as well before we put those in. Next up, in the trunk, we've got some Bilstein front shocks that we're gonna be putting in as well. Not in this video, but those are coming up next. Also, we have some more parts on the way as well. So if you guys want to see those and the future install of those, they'll be right here on the channel. But right now, let's get these and cut these mats right here. We've got these little clips, these OEM clips that go here, but as you can see, I don't really know how those go because it doesn't have any setup on the floor for that. But let's get started. All right, now that we got that done, let's go ahead and get this first one in there. Let's see how this goes. Boom. Dude, that's sweet. It's really nice. And I'm gonna have to take this outside in the light so you guys can just get a good look at that. And as you can tell right here too, these OEM mats are just complete garbage. Look how much dirt and junk this thing has. And as you can see when I pick it up, it's just completely disintegrating. And that's the case with all the mats, especially the ones in the back as well. So I actually removed those already, so that'll be easy for us, and the back is always clean. So yeah, I'm gonna have to vacuum this junk up, but let's get this out of here. And just in case you guys are wondering, these two wires do run back to my amplifier. They run up and to the head unit. I'll figure out a better way to put these hidden, probably underneath the carpet. But yeah, let's put that new mat in. That is amazing. Love the way that looks. So now we'll get this rear mat and we'll toss it in here just like that. And no, this amplifier is not permanently mounted like this. It's not mounted at all, actually. It just wobbles around. So I just lay it down like that. Now just set this carpet back all the way. And just like that, that's the rear carpet, looking very clean. All right, so now we'll go ahead and throw this down just like that. And boom, that's the rear floor mat. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. That is the install of those BMW Motorsport floor mats. Stay tuned for the Bilstein shocks and some other mods that we got going on for the front end of this car. It's going to be taken apart and being extensively worked on by me, so stay tuned for that if you guys want to see what I'm going to do. It's going to just refresh this whole car, so see you guys in the next one. Peace.